Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting hardware and drivers ready. Pair both Joy-Con controllers to your PC and confirm battery levels. Once paired, install the latest Dolphin build, and if needed, run Zadig to bind correct HID driver. This prevents input conflicts. Make sure Dolphin's Wii Remote interface is set to emulate the Wii Remote with extension support enabled. These steps let Dolphin read motion data directly, so you can map motion sensors instead of relying on awkward keyboard shortcuts. Next, configure motion input inside Dolphin. Open controller settings and pick either a real Wii Remote or set up an emulated one depending on pairing. Then under motion input, assign each Joy-Con to the appropriate player and map gyroscope and accelerometer axes. This ensures tilt and rotation match in game. Once done, calibrate sensor orientation, adjust sensitivity, and apply a bit of smoothing to remove jitter. Make sure to save the profile so your mappings persist and you don't repeat this setup every session. Finish by testing motion controls in a game that includes a calibration or demo. You want to confirm pitch, yaw, and roll translate correctly. If movements feel too strong or twitchy, reduce sensitivity or increase dead zones, and invert axes if directions are flipped. Once satisfied, save your profile. If you encounter lag, frequent disconnects, or missing sensors, rebind the HID driver with Zadig or try a wired USB connection. These fixes solve most communication issues and restore reliable motion in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.